Hello friends, how are you? This is Dr. Sri Nagi, Ayurveda Medicine Doctor and also Isha Hatha Yoga teacher. So today in this video I am going to talk about the benefits of very common spice that is called cinnamon. And in Ayurveda it has been described as a very potent herb. As a spice we are using cinnamon bark. And all those people who have this problem, like who don't feel hunger, whose digestion is not very strong, and if they feel like whatever you are eating, if it is not getting digested, for all those people this cinnamon can work as a wonder drug. Cinnamon is a very light spice, but it is hot in potency. So because it is hot in potency, that's why it has been used in all those cases who have indigestion because of low digestive fire or low enzymes. Whenever we have low digestion, we feel bloating in our stomach. It's very common symptom, and we feel like somewhere in the stomach gas is stuck. After having food, the stomach becomes balloon. So if this is a problem with you, this is because you have low digestive fire, and cinnamon is a solution for you. This low digestive fire happens when our liver is not very healthy. So cinnamon is a very potent herb which helps to enhance the activity of the liver, means it makes the liver strong so that liver can produce all the necessary enzymes that are needed for your digestion naturally. So if you also have this problem, like you don't feel hunger, or whatever you are eating it's not getting digested properly, or you are eating very less according to your body structure, then cinnamon is a solution for you. And how you can use cinnamon, there are many ways to use cinnamon. One of the very common way is you can use cinnamon decoction or cinnamon tea. How to make it? You take 1 cup of water, in that you just put a pinch of cinnamon and boil it, and boil it till it becomes 3/4 of the cup. And this kind of tea, you can add little bit of jaggery in it and you can drink and enjoy this tea. And it will work as a miraculous medicine if you have bloating problem. But yes, one precaution you need to take regarding cinnamon: if you are on some kind of cardiac medicines or on blood thinners like aspirin or some kind of medicine you are taking to thin your blood, and as an anticoagulant if you are taking anything, then you should avoid the use of cinnamon, because cinnamon has a property, it will remove the clots from the blood. So already if you are on anticoagulant, then you should avoid the use of cinnamon. On in some kind of cardiac medicine if you are taking, then you should avoid the use of cinnamon, or you should use cinnamon only after consulting doctor. In addition to that, if you have a lot of mucus problem, and people who have a lot of sinusitis and a lot of mucus in their lungs, and they feel like they are not able to breathe properly, in all these cases also cinnamon can work as a miraculous medicine. In Ayurveda we use Sitopaladi Churan. It's a kind of powder for which we give to strengthen your lungs, to remove the mucus from your lungs, and one of its ingredient is cinnamon. Cinnamon has the capability to remove the mucus from the lungs. That's why if you also have this problem, you can also enjoy cinnamon tea or cinnamon decoction. Not only this, if you have shoulder stiffness, like for some reasons if your shoulders are very stiff, in these cases also it's been recommended, like you can use cinnamon paste, but just keep it only for 1 to 2 minutes, as it is hot in potency, and sometimes it can leave blisters because very hot in potency, not in temperature but in potency. So it's been recommended you can apply cinnamon paste mixed with lukewarm water on the affected area, leave it as it is for 2 minutes, and after that you can remove it and wash it with warm water, and after that you can apply coconut oil as a massage oil for your shoulder. This way it will relieve the shoulder stiffness because of its hot potency, and local effect. In addition to that, if you have any kind of these pimples on your face or some kind of acne on your face, like they are not ripe, they don't have any pus point, but it is just some kind of eruption is there and you don't know what to do, and it's just like this for 6 months, 7 months. If you also have this problem, you can also use this cinnamon paste and apply on that acne for minimum 21 days, and you will see it will dissolve that acne naturally because of its anticoagulant properties. In addition to that, there are many sweets where we use cinnamon, because it's been said like cinnamon helps to enhance the sattva gun. It's a very sattvic spice. It's been believed like cinnamon helps to enhance the balanced heat in your system. Like there are many spices which enhances the heat in your system, but cinnamon is the only spice which has sweet taste also. So it enhance the heat but keep it balanced. So you can make use of cinnamon as cinnamon tea, as cinnamon application, cinnamon as a immunity booster. So cinnamon has tremendous benefits. Just one precaution you need to take, like if you are on some kind of cardiac ailment, or if you are taking some cardiac medicines, and in that medicines if there is some anticoagulant, then you should avoid the use of cinnamon, because it already works as anticoagulant because of its blood thinning properties. In addition to that, if somebody is suffering with mood swings or depression, in these cases also cinnamon works very miraculously. You can offer them cinnamon tea, like I mentioned, like pinch of, like just half teaspoon of cinnamon, just pinch of cinnamon in 1 cup of water, and just boil it. When it becomes 3/4, then just drink it with by adding little bit of jaggery or palm sugar into it, and you will see it will relax you and it will elevate your mood in a very big way, and slowly you will vanish these mood swings naturally. Also, there is one precaution: those who are allergic to cinnamon, please avoid cinnamon. It's but obvious, but still I thought I should tell the precaution. So that's about cinnamon, and it is a very potent herb. So make use of it for your mucus problems, for almost everything you can use cinnamon as a spice. That's why in Indian cooking we use cinnamon as a spice, so that daily in small doses it goes through our system naturally. So that's all for today's video. I hope you will like it, and if you are watching me for the first time, there is a bell icon, there is a subscription button. Please click the bell icon, hit the subscription button, so that you stay in tune with our upcoming videos. Also, if you would like to support us, there is a join button near subscription button. You can click this join button and you can support us. Those of you who want Ayurveda consultations, please write to me on this given email ID, and I will let you know how we can schedule it. Also, if you have any questions, please write down your questions in the comment section, and I will try to answer your questions in the best possible way. So with this note, I would like to say stay healthy, stay blessed, take care, bye.